In the vibrant city of Karachi, a beacon of knowledge shines bright. Welcome to Madarassa Beta Salam, a unique institution that is transforming lives through education. Madarassa Beta Salam stands tall as the only madrasa in Karachi offering free education in Hifz, a level, and everything in between. From Class 1 to Intermediate, Madarassa Beta Salam nurtures young minds, providing them with a holistic education that opens doors to a world of opportunities. But that's not all. Dedicated teachers at Madarassa Beta Salam inspire and guide their students, fostering a love for learning and instilling values that will shape their future. Here, students emerge not only with academic excellence, but also with the knowledge to make a positive impact on society. Madarassa Beta Salam encourages its students to give back. They actively participate in community service initiatives, spreading compassion and making a difference. So, if you seek an institution that provides free education, Madarassa Beta Salam is your destination, where dreams come true, minds are enriched, and education is accessible to all.